Hi guys, and welcome to another video from Technik. In this video we're going to be showing you how to remove the main, this is the driver's window switch control panel. This is for the A6, S6 and RS6. This is the C5, both the saloon or the Avant. So let's go. So the first thing to point out on the interior door handles on the A6, S6, RS6, C5 is that unlike a lot of other Audi models, you don't actually have to remove the door card to remove the switch, so that makes it a lot easier on this particular model. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how the mechanism kind of works and how this is locked into place, and once you've kind of got an understanding of that, it should be very easy to get out. So let's take a look in more detail. So if you look down kind of behind the handle, as it were, what you'll see up underneath there, it's actually got a little hole on the underside there. So what we're going to be using is a tool to go up into that hole to manipulate the switch, and I'll show you why now. So this switch is basically on the front edge of it. It's got like a little compression tab kind of lip that's holding it in across the front edge just in here. So what we need to do is we actually need to push that lip in, and then that will allow this to lift up out of the kind of housing that it sits in. So, and to release that, what we're going to do is we're going to push a tool up in the hole that we just showed you up in the bottom at the correct angle, and that will push that tab in, and then that whole thing will pop out. So let's give it a try. So what you've got to do is get any tool you like, any type of kind of small screwdriver that will fit into the hole. Problem is you don't want anything too long, so you have to might have to have a little search around for something that's about the right kind of length. What you're going to do is just insert that into the hole there, and then push upward. Okay, now what you want to do is you'll kind of feel when it starts to go upwards, and all we're going to do is you're going to push it in and up at the same time, just to release it on the front edge. You can see that's just moved up. That's enough. And then what you want to do is you want to come in with a trim tool on the side and just help lever it out like so. And once you get it to that stage, you can actually lift the whole thing out. Obviously we do have an electrical connector on there. So we'll disconnect that, and then I'll show you this mechanism in a bit more detail so you can have a look at that. Okay, so let's get that disconnected and I'll show you the mechanism. So this is the connector. So you've got a little push tab in the middle there. Let's just push that down. Give it a wobble side to side, and that'll pop out like so. So that's the connector removed. So just to give you an idea of what it is you're trying to do when you do this yourself, this is the tool pushing up through the hole, like so, and then what we need to do is actually latch that into the switch itself. So let's take a quick look at the switch. So as you push this up through the hole, what you're looking to do is just catch anywhere in this little square, which is why I said you can kind of feel when you get it right. As you push that up, that will kind of push inwards, and that will allow the whole thing to pop up. So obviously this edge is protruding, so as you kind of push that in at an angle, that will go in, and that will allow the whole thing to pop up, and then you can just get your trim tool in under the edge, lift it up, and that's it. So that is your main window switch removed.